So today I got to wire this wiring harness up. Say new harness, which has 2022 on it. I got this piece. This goes to the remote. And the remote itself. The bracket. So I'm going to start with power cable wiring and figure out how I'm going to route that. I just go stay underneath the truck. So the hood is popped. Take the ground off. Already predetermined how I was going to run this, and I stuck it up. Oh, that's the other one. It's right down here. I gotta grab it. Oh, climb on a tire. And try to find it. Oh, it's way down there, too far away. I pull it up more. Alright, first step, positive cable. It's a 10mm on this truck. There. Up down. Going all the way to the back. I would come right up in here and plug into a box that goes there, but the module's gone, so module's broke. It's going to get repaired, and I want to run this behind the bumper. It's just sticking out. But I'm supposed to go right into there. I'll get to that step, I guess, next. And so instead of running through the firewall, most people run through this firewall right up in there. but mine ran through the floor. So since he ran that through the floor, right there, I guess that's where I'm putting the wiring module for the spreader. It does keep it out the way because you don't got to route the wire. That's not where I would put it. See if I can get this right angle. And my wire through the firewall right there. That plug. Just ran it across. I couldn't get through the hole in the bottom. I'm not messing with all that. Come over here, plug it in, strap this, do something with all this extra cable. Notice that. So I want to secure that wire a little more so it's not flopping around. So the last video should be me hooking up the spreader to this. We got my power wire and harness here. And this mounts to the side of here. And this is actually a backup one from another sander. And I sent the other one out to repair. And the guy basically told me there's nothing wrong with the module. And then this module does the same exact thing as the module I sent out to repair. So he told me it was the wire and harness or the controller. And like this wire and harness right here isn't new, but this wire and harness is new. The wire and harness in the front is new. The wire and harness that goes to the controller is new. The controller's new. So basically there's some kind of problem between the controller and the module. And this module costs $900. The controller is $400. The harness pieces are anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on which harness it is. So now at this point, I had enough of Fisher's proprietary. I can't even say the word. Proprietary. I can't say it right now. It's not gonna say it, but there's stupid wiring and controllers and shit. I'm done with that. So I'm not putting that back on. I'm gonna wire this myself, and it'll work. I could have used this all winter with my own wiring, but I tried to use their $500 stupid harness, their $400 controller, and all their junk. And I was going to get this thing repaired too to make it work their way, but I'm not doing that no more. So let me show you what I'm doing.